Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought you might like an update on this little fellow right here. This is the what I call the Meg. It's a 16-inch footprint wrench that was very kindly sent in to me by Ben from the Tool Addict. There'll be a link to his YouTube channel in the descriptive text down below, guys. But anyway, let's bring the camera down here and have a closer look. So I believe it was July last year that Ben sent me this humongous great big footprint wrench. It's massive. Since then I've cleaned it up a little bit. As you can see, looks a bit better, a lot more shiny, a lot nicer. And for that period of time I've been waiting to replace this old bolt here with a proper pivot pin. As you can see, it looks like this one has been used in the Meg, in the footprint wrench, for quite some time, possibly several decades I would imagine. Look at the amount of wear and how nice and shiny it is, look. So I've been wanting to replace this with a proper pivot pin for some time, but unfortunately I've been quite busy in the in PB1, the main workshop this year. It's been quite hectic in there, so I've not been able to get to the machine shop for some time. So what I did in the end, I asked my colleague down there if he wouldn't mind making me up a pivot pin, and that's exactly what we have right here. Here it is, guys. This is the pin he made me. You can see it differs from a standard footprint pivot pin in that it's much larger. This one is from a 12-inch footprint wrench, this one here. And as I say, I've basically what I've done is I've upscaled it quite a bit to better suit the size of the 16-inch footprint wrench, in my view, that is. Okay, so here is the Megalodon with the bolt in place. Let's replace it with the new pivot pin, and there we go. What do you think, guys? Isn't that much better? I think that's a lot better, actually, to be honest with you. You know, with the scale and everything going on here, looks quite nice, doesn't it? What do you think? I scaled it up to about 20mm in diameter across here. It's about 10mm thick, I think, just here. We also have a little step in there just to keep it off of the rest of the wrench there, so it doesn't damage the finish around here. I'll tell you what, somebody's been using this thing fairly hard, because we've got some hammer marks here, look, along the handle. And there's also, can you believe it, they've managed to actually crack the wrench just here. We've lost a tooth and we've got a massive great crack that runs all the way to the rivet just here, look. So they must have been giving this some very serious use at some point or another in its life. This thing has all the markings. You can see footprint there, made in England, 698. We have footprint just here as well, little footprint stamping just there as well. But overall, I think it's much nicer with the new pivot pin in place. So that's going into my footprint wrench collection now. I have had to replace quite a few pivot pins on my some of my other footprint wrenches. This one here, I believe this is the 14-inch version, I think is that one. Here is a nice example of a 9-inch. This one's been modified on the hook here. And here is a more standard size. You see how I've just made a smaller pin for this one. So there we go. You know, they get lost over the time because they're so small, so they're very easy to lose. So just you know, just make up a new pin for them. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed popping over and taking a look at the new pivot pin I've made for the Meg here, the Megalodon. Massive great thing it is, weighs a ton. Okay then guys, so let me know what you think of the Megalodon, this humongous great 16-inch footprint pipe wrench. Love them. I don't know why I like them so much, but I do. And it looks much better with its new upscaled pivot pin, doesn't it? Okay then guys, hope you enjoyed popping over to Rathbone Manor once again. I'm sure I'll have another video for you fairly shortly. Something else. I will be going along to the car boot sale this Easter as well on Sunday, because the weather looks really nice for Sunday. So yeah, hopefully. I mean, this year, would you believe it, this year so far on all the visits to the boot sale, I haven't seen a single footprint wrench at all. I've picked up a copy, a very nice Czechoslovakian copy here. I quite like these things actually. I've got 4 of them now. 2 of this size, which I think is about a 7-inch, something like that there. It looks like a 7-inch, 7 or 8-inch, maybe a 9-inch. Yep, little 7-inch there, as you can see. So I quite like these. And I also have a couple of Polish copies as well. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think of footprint wrenches, and if you've got any copies. I've got quite a few copies now. Let me know if you've got any copies down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and you can ring this here little bell here too, because that'll give you future updates to new videos that I put out. And you can also follow me on Instagram too, because I've been posting this little fellow down there on Instagram this morning already, amongst other things. Okay then guys, well thanks for watching, thanks for popping over to Rathbone Manor, and I will catch you later.